Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can spy on Shopify ads, what you can see usually on Facebook, and you can analyze your competitors. So this is the most perfect and powerful tool you can use to compare and spy on your competitors who works on Shopify ads, who works on dropshipping business and do Facebook ads for their business and getting successful. So to find out what exactly they are doing and get successful in their business, you are required to have a tool that can help you to get all the details. So hope you're gonna like today's video, and before we start our today's video, make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Okay, so let's start the video. So at first you have to come over this site dropspy.com. Now you can see it's a powerful tool what you can use to identify your competitors' business ads on Facebook. It's going to help you to spy your dropshipping competitors, what they are running business, what they are running ads, what type of ads they are running in their Facebook pages. So you can say you can create a free account and a premium account, and there are some limited features in free account, but if you are going to get a premium account, you will get all the opportunities for this tool. Now you can get a 50% discount if you use the code I put in the description, and you can also find from here when you are signing up for a premium version. Anyway, so for after you sign up for this tool, you can see there are much more data you can use, like you can find from which country they are running ads and for which country, and what the audience ratio they are getting in their ads. So you can use any of your email and information to sign up in this tool. So after you sign up for this tool, you can see there is confirmation mail. So after you confirm your mail, you can just get a full tutorial how to use this, but it's pretty easy. You can filter out any of your ads by clicking here on this filter option. Now in the free account you won't get much data for search, but if you go for the premium option, then you will get all the fields to work with and for spy all the ads. Now this is so powerful. In the filter version you can get all the settings. Now you can identify your ads with filtering the how many like ratio and share ratio you are looking for, and if you are looking for a particular domain or particular website, which website are running ads, you can identify from here. Suppose there is any type of Halloween business, Halloween dropshipping business running ads on Facebook, you can just type their website address here and go for search, and you will find out they are all ads which are running in the Facebook. Now from here you can identify what type of audience they are usually targeting. So you can get their text data, ads, image, and how many reactions they are getting, and from which countries they are getting all the reaction, and the gender, what is best they are getting, and from which date they start their business and when they going to stop. So you will get all the possible data what they are using for their ads and getting successful in their business. So you can see we got all the details here, and as well as if they are using any type of landing page, you will get their data also. So so far I can assure you that this is one of the best tool for spy ads on spy your competitor ads and run your own ads if you are running a dropshipping business.